Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to create a landing page on Teachable. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in Teachable, and then you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Teachable if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the left side of the screen, we have the home, users, site, sales, and all those things. We have the products where you can see your courses, coaching, and all those things. And in the top right corner, you can go and view your school. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and create a landing page on Teachable. So first of all, click on course in the admin sidebar and either create a new course or select an existing course, which you can do here. Then click on the pages and choose the landing page. So you need to go to pages and then click the landing page of your course. So basically go here and then go and click on the landing page. After that, so basically when you first go to the landing page, then after that, what you need to, you have them here. So here are the, of course, pages. You have the sales pages here. Then what you need to do when you go to the landing pages, after that, you need to go and use the add blog button to add various content blocks like text, images, videos, testimonials, pricing plans, and more. Arrange the blogs by dragging and dropping them into the desired order. And of course, then click preview to check it out. Once you're satisfied with your landing page, click publish to make it live. Just know that a well-designed landing page can make a significant difference in attracting and converting students. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. That will be everything. Bye, guys.